This is a screencast showing you how to add notes to the student profile in iSAMS. When you're in iSAMS, if you click on Student Management, you will see there is an option to find the student profiles. Click on Student Profiles and it will launch the Student Profile module. I'm going to search for students using their surname. So here, if I find Taylor, you can see we have Taylor. But if I just refresh this search, I could also find students based on the school structure. So maybe I want to find all of the 11 and 12 students, and you can see it will load all of the 11 and 12 students. I could sort them by form if I wanted to, or I could simply highlight 3 forms and it will pull out all of those students. I'm just going to refresh that because we can also search via pastoral. So all of these are the tutors, and maybe I want to see Johnny's tutor group, and now you can search for those. Just going to click refresh again because I could also search by academic. So for example, I could find all of the students that are studying English. And that, in fact, that would be a lot of students, obviously, but we could then sort them by a particular set or group. I'm just going to click refresh again because what you can do is, if I go to school structure, I'm just going to select year 13, so I've got the whole of year 13. Now I've filtered that. When I go to academic and I choose, for example, computing, you can see it's now chosen. If you look at the filter, because I've got the original filter of year 13 on there, in terms of the academic side of things, it's filtered out just those students that are taking computing in year 13. And maybe I want to do ITGS, and you can see now I've only got, these are the students that are taking ITGS in year 13. So if I wanted to send them a message, then I could get to, or if I wanted to look at the profile of those students, then I could get to them. Anyway, let's go and find a student. I'm going to click on my son. So let's find Tanwar. There he is. And when you click on the student, you can see it opens up this what we call a core profile. And the core profile will contain all of the information about reports, examinations, tracking, SEN. There's no information in there at the moment other than just a simple star. Registration is quite a good one because you can look at all of the registration that has or hasn't occurred. But what we're going to focus on today is the notes and comments. So a lot of other schools use notes and comments as a section for teachers to regularly put notes in there that are associated to that particular student, such that when other teachers come in there and have a look at it, they can see if there's any particular type of pattern forming. So we can change or add or delete as many notes as we want. So I'm just going to put in here, I've just created these just for this particular video. Family, non-confidential. This is the son of Ryan Taylor. And when I click add note, you can now see that that would build up a profile of that particular student, and you can, as a teacher, go in and see all of those different types of notes. I hope you found that useful.